Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. So I just want to stop by real quick and give you guys an update on what's going on with my psychedelic 60s group build hosted by Dan the Man. And as you guys remember, I'm doing the 65 Pontiac Grand Prix, and if you guys remember my video entry, I said I was gonna try to polish the plastic. So Dan has a tutorial on how to do this, so I use that polishing compound, and my daughter does nails and she gave me this, and this is pretty cool because it takes no effort to so there's no way I could burn any paint job or anything. So it's actually better than the Dremel, and I was able to polish it pretty well. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. So this is the original plastic, and if you guys see the glare right here, this is what I buffed out. So I buffed half of it out just so that I could show you guys the glare and the shine. And I'm gonna show you guys the car, how it looks now. And look at that, it looks pretty good. And if you guys notice, let me try to zoom in a little bit more. It's got a nice amount of flake, which is odd. I mean, it's cool. And so yeah, the whole car's buffed out. So right now I'm in the process of doing the chrome trim. Still need to do the back window, and this side is done and the other side is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and the interior, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. If you guys remember cars in the 60s, some of them, the interior was a little bit almost the same color, so it just seems like this is shiny and then that's not. That's like semi-gloss, kind of like the old school leather. So I just left it the way it was, and what I did is I just highlighted some of the areas like the door handles and that section. I think it's the speaker, if I remember. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. And then there's the dash, center console and all that. So I just left it the way it is. I'm actually gonna do these wheels, so that looks perfect. So it's gonna be semi 60s lowrider style. And here's the underneath the chassis. So I painted the whole frame, and yeah, that's pretty much. And this is already clear coated. And the engine, the only thing I have left to do is to paint the headers and put it in place, and have the axles come out, and do all that good stuff. So yeah, it's pretty much done. It's coming along pretty good. I think the next video will be my final on this. So all right guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all your shares and likes, and thanks Dan for hosting this group build. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.